Sir, before I speak on Kaleshwar and irrigation scheme, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, I would like to point out that the Congress in its manifesto before the 2024 Assembly elections in United AP had promised to complete 2004, sir, had promised to complete all irrigation projects in the state on priority, sir, in the year 2004, sir. After the Congress assumed power in 2004, under late Y.S. Rashekar Reddy Saab leadership, Jal Yagnam program was launched to bring 82 lakh acres under irrigation in 5 years by 2009. Soon after retaining power in 2009, YSR died in an air crash and many irrigation projects under Jal Yagnam remained incomplete, sir. This was because there were issues like bifurcation of United AP and 2 successive Congress chief ministers after YSR failed to give priority to Jal Yagnam, sir. Sir, it is another matter that the Jal Yagnam later dubbed as Dhana Yagnam, I would say, sir. Sir, I'm sorry to say, sir, let be any government, sir, let be any irrigation projects, it becomes an ATM. Only the password changes in 5 years, sir. Only the password changes.